Hello dear students, I am Dr. Pradap Naikwade. Welcome to your favorite channel PVN Science Study.
Hello dear friends, in today's lecture we will study plants suitable for lawn. Here we will study some lawn grasses as well as lawn trees. Here you can see some of the beautiful photographs of lawns in garden. Lawn is an open space with closely mown grass. They make the major part of the gardens. As a matter of fact, no garden is complete and beautiful without having a good lawn. Beautifully grown green grass accelerates the beauty of the garden and gives peace to the mind and eye. Besides lawn grass, lawn trees are another important member of lawn which enhances the beauty of garden. Dear friends, here you can see the lawn and this is the lawn tree. First of all, we will see plants suitable for lawn grasses, and very common is Cynodon dictyolon. Here are some of the photographs of Cynodon dictyolon. Cynodon dictyolon is belonging to Poaceae or Gramineae family. It is the most common grass used for making lawn. It is also called Hariali, Dub grass, Durva or Bermuda grass. It is the most popular lawn grass for the plains in the country as it thrives well under hot, sunny weather and also tolerate the harsh summer. This is the lawn prepared from Cynodon dictyolon. Here you can see the leaves of the plant. The leaves are long, linear, acute, soft, smooth and diasticous with different shades of green. So here the green shade is different and here you can see the different shade of green. This is the inflorescence of Cynodon dictyolon. Cynodon dictyolon grows very fast due to the stolons and it can be grown in any type of the soil. Then the next plant suitable for the lawn grass is Paspalum species. Dear friends, here you can see the lawn prepared from the Paspalum species. This is the plant showing leaves as well as the inflorescence. Here also you can see Paspalum grass. Paspalum is a genus containing different species and it is belonging to Poaceae family. It is also common grass used for making lawn. Paspalum is popularly used in areas with high rainfall. As you can see here, the leaves are long, linear, broad, ribbon-like and rough in texture. Paspalum can be grown in any type of the soil. It grows well in semi-shade and can be mowed easily to a spongy carpet. Next is Festuca rubra. These photographs demonstrate lawn as well as structure of Festuca rubra. This is also belonging to Poaceae family. It is commonly known as red fescue. This is evergreen bunch grass with panicles of blue flowers as you can see here. It thrives well in full sun. It is used as turf grass or a ground cover. As you can see here, it can be left completely unmowed for a lush green look. Next plant is Poa travalis. Poa is a genus containing different species. Here you can see the different shades of different species of Poa genus. This is also the photograph which is showing beautiful lawn prepared from Poa travalis. These are the leaves and stem of the plant and here you can see the inflorescence of the Poa. It is also belonging to the Poaceae family. It is commonly known as rough bluegrass or rough meadow grass. It is perennial ornamental grass used for ground covering. It prefers moist, sheltered places. Poa consists of roughish slender stem growing to a height of 30 to 60 cm and shows presence of short stolons. As you can see here, leaves are broad, tapering with rough shithering leaf bases having pointed ligules. Poa bears loose, whorled, much branched long green panicles which adds beauty to the grass. So this was about plants suitable for the lawn grass. Now we will study plants suitable for lawn trees. Many times lawn shows presence of beautiful tree which is placed at the center or in one corner in such a way that the tree act as focal point and enhance the beauty of the green lawn. The tree species used for lawn tree is Araucaria. It is belonging to family Araucariaceae. This plant is commonly known as Christmas tree. So these are the photographs of Christmas tree or Araucaria. This is a tall, beautiful evergreen tree showing beautiful conical canopy. So here you can see the conical canopy of the tree. Here you can see the leaves of the plant. Leaves are dark green, sharp, pointed, just like a needle, which are present very closely to give thick green appearance. Then the next plant which is suitable as lawn tree is Michelia champaka, and these are the photographs of Michelia champaka. This is the tree. Here you can see the leaves as well as the flowers, and these are the fruits of Michelia champaka. It is belonging to family Magnoliaceae. The plant is commonly called champa or sonchafa. This is also tall evergreen tree showing beautiful canopy. As you can see here, leaves are light green, glabrous, lanceolate with entire wavy margin, acute apex and bud skull stipules. The plant is also cultivated for its yellow colored sweet scented flowers, as you can see here. Dear friends, with this we have completed plants suitable for lawn grass as well as lawn trees. Thank you. In next video we will study plants suitable for avenue.